Welcome, everybody. Lately, we've been making a lot of really complicated drinks. Tiki drinks are notorious for having a really long list of ingredients. But sometimes, guys, you just want to keep it simple, which is why this week we're going to make a Lillet and Tonic. From Durham, North Carolina, you're watching Cocktails Under Quarantine. I'm Suzanne. This week, we're going to be making a 3-ingredient drink, a Lillet and Tonic. It's just Lillet, which is a aromatized wine. It's in the same category as vermouth, and tonic water with the addition of bitters. So let's get started. We're going to make this drink by building it in a Collins glass. And I'm going to show you how to make it look extra pretty. If you don't feel like doing this step, that's okay, you can skip it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a cucumber ribbon. And so I'm gonna take my cucumber and a vegetable peeler, and I'm gonna peel off the first green strip. And then I'm gonna take the peeler again and just do a nice wide strip. Cucumber ribbon, let's call it, okay? And then I'm gonna take my bar spoon and I'm gonna use it to kind of spiral the cucumber ribbon up the glass. And admittedly, this is a little bit of a pain in the butt. Just be patient, you'll get it. So just see how I'm using the spoon just to kind of press it along the side of the glass. It's gonna wanna fight you, but you know, be patient, you'll persevere. Just kind of get it in there. And if you've got too much ribbon, it's okay. Just take some kitchen shears, just trim the excess off. See? No big deal. Okay, so we've got our, whoop, it's starting to fall. Got our cucumber ribbon, okay? I'm just gonna leave it class like this. No reason not to. Okay, and then I'm gonna make a apple ribbon. So it's the same thing. Take the vegetable peeler. I'm using a green ribbon, or sorry, a red apple, because I think that the color contrast against the green cucumber is pretty, but if you have a green apple, that's fine. So we're gonna take the first layer off, and then we'll do a second nice wide apple ribbon. Okay, there we go. Set that to the side. Again, we're just gonna kind of lay this in here. And I wanna get the ribbons to kind of cross each other if we can. Just make it look real pretty. Just kind of lay that in there. Get the bar spoon to kind of help you press it against the glass. It wants to go this way. There we go. That's better. Trim the excess. Okay, don't need those little bits. Okay, just kind of use the spoon to help you out here. Okay, do a little more trimming. Okay, all right, and then we're gonna add a lemon, some lemon wheels, and some slices of strawberry to make it look even prettier. So, got our lemon here. Just cut some thin wheels. All right, and we're just gonna kind of lay these in here. Then we're gonna take crushed ice and we're just gonna pack the glass. And then once you get it kind of packed, we're gonna add some more. Oh, we forgot our strawberry. Let's add some strawberry slices. Okay. Strawberry slice, and you just kind of use your ice scoop to get everything in there. Stick another wheel in and another slice of strawberry. Just kind of pack it all up. There we go. All right. Set our ice to the side. Okay. Look at that, guys. That is pretty already. Okay, So then we're gonna add our bitters. This is from Raleigh Crude Bitters. It's a local bitters. It's really nice. It is their Rizzo bitters. This is a grapefruit rosemary pepper bitters, and I actually tried it by itself and it is very peppery, but when you add it to the drink it adds this really nice citrus and honey note. So they come in droppers. They use a dropper. We'll add 2 droppers worth. So add that, and then we'll add 2 ounces of our Lillet. As with all vermouths, you want to keep your Lillet in the fridge when you are not enjoying it. And then we're gonna top it up with tonic water, which is basically just club soda with some sugar and some bittering agents. So just gently top that up. And then we're gonna garnish it because garnishing makes everything prettier. So we'll take a lemon wheel, and I've already cut a little slit in it to make it easier to stick it in there. So just stick that in there. I've got strawberry slice that's already got a little slit in it. We'll just put it next to it. And then some fresh mint from my garden. So whoop, here it is. Give it a little slap so we can, and then kind of wrap it around here so that when people bring it up to their face, the fragrance of the mint hits them. And so we're just gonna nestle that in real gently. And then we will take our paper straw, because it's a crushed ice drink, so it's easier to drink if you have a straw. We're just kind of nestle that in by the mint so that people just get hit with that beautiful bouquet of herbs and fruit and citrus. And there you have it, friends. The Lillet and Tonic, a gorgeous, simple, refreshing end of summer drink. Let's take a sip. It's so good. It's light because it's got the carbonation. It's got the kind of honey citrus notes of the Lillet and the fragrance of the mint. And it's just really light, cool, refreshing, delicious. You should make one. That's all we have for this week, folks. As always, we are on YouTube. We love it if you would like, follow, subscribe to us. David loves it when you leave comments, so please do that. We're also on Facebook, so like and follow us there. And as always, stay safe and drink responsibly. Guys, look at this. It's so pretty. Got like the ribbons in here and the fruit and the mint. It's like all these different colors. This is a very pretty drink, y'all, and it's delicious. And you know what? If you don't want to go to all the trouble with this garnish, it's delicious even, just even in like, without all this fancy schmanciness. So just get yourself some Lillet, some tonic. You don't even need the bitters if you don't want. Some ice, and just, sit outside, enjoy the sunlight, have a nice, cool, long drink.